Let's get back to that market, please. The Dow Industrial's up 140, but the Nasdaq really down 300 points. That's 1.1%. Jason Katz joining me this morning. The markets are priced in peace, seems to me at least. What happens if military action resumes?
No bueno.
Yeah, no bueno.
So we've been sifting through all this rhetoric on both sides, and the market has just sort of gone along with it. And the fact is, talking is much better than shooting. But if we see military action resume, oil could do a beeline back to 100 a barrel. And if that happens, the Fed's in even more of a precarious position. Forgetting about holding rates steady, they'll be forced to raise rates. Now, the good news is there is definitively a path towards diplomacy here. So we do think cooler heads will prevail. Nonetheless, it's really important that people realize, don't be complacent. This is not a foregone conclusion that we get a peace deal.
The market at the moment seems to be driven a lot by AI and technology. What's your plan B if AI and technology flounder just a little?
Well, I'll tell you what my plan B isn't. It's not just abandoning everything that's worked. First of all, you'd pay an insurmountable amount of taxes to do that. The plan B is, and I've said this time in and time again, look for rotation, look to cheaper parts of the market. You take healthcare, for instance. In my view, arguably the biggest beneficiary from AI in terms of drug discovery and treatments. And yet the group trades at 80% of the multiple of the S&P, and their earnings are growing at the same clip as the S&P. So you have to buy into these themes where people are living longer, healthier lives, and you're doing it in a cheaper way than just chasing the school of what's worked.
Well, we baby boomers, we need a lot of health care. And a lot of it, not a lot of us, but there's money in that demographic group. That's what's happening here, isn't it?
There's this huge transition of wealth, so they need financial services. They're living longer, more active lives. So talk about just the demographics alone. So yes, if you're looking out more than a few weeks and a few months, rather the next 5 to 10 years, healthcare is the place to be. See the acquisition that happened today? These big farmers are going to continue to buy biotechs to fill their pipelines.
That's a good plan B. Jason, thanks very much for joining us. See you again soon.